the entire nation is against the act of Maharashtra government and in fact in the favor of Arnab Goswami and supporting in the millions. We are joining with us Additional Solicitor General of India, Advocate Satpal Jain. Jain sir, how do you see the arrest, the way Maharashtra police has arrested the Arnab Goswami like a terrorist, though he was not. He is just a journalist and raised the public voice. How do you see and how legally it is correct?
See, the whole nation is condemning not only the arrest of Mr. Arnab Goswami, but also the way it has been done, the way he has been arrested. For the last few days or few months, and like his earlier behavior, Mr. Arnab Goswami has been bringing out to fore certain very important aspects in public life, which was his duty as a journalist. Perhaps they were not to the liking of the Maharashtra government, and they were trying to fix him in one case or the other. Earlier also there were attempts to attack him, to shut his voice, to snub his voice, and in one way or the other to crush him. Now they have arrested him. I am condemning both. Number one, his arrest also. Number two, the way he has been arrested. You are not arresting him like a gentleman. You are trying to show as if he is a very hardcore criminal, he is a something anti-social element, and you in fact want to humiliate the person who you are arresting. You are not arresting him for the purpose of investigation, but to just teach him a lesson and humiliate him. I am very happy that the trial court yesterday did not accept the request of the Maharashtra police to remand him to the police custody, because he could have been tortured and many other things could have been done. The very fact that the trial court has remanded him to judicial custody and not in police custody, as a lawyer I can say, means that the Honorable Trial Court was convinced that now no purpose will be served by sending him to police custody. I have been told that his bail is also coming up before the High Court. The Honorable High Court will decide what to do and how to do. But I just want to emphasize one thing. I saw the dark days of emergency also. I was in jail for about 1 year at the age of 23 in 1975. At that time also, similar type of humiliation, arrest, suppression was done against the journalist. Public people like even Kuldeep Nayyar, etc., they were arrested, put behind the bars and under Misa and all that. Same thing is being done by the Maharashtra government now. Perhaps this is the style of the functioning of the Congress party. They talk number of times about the freedom of the press and all that. But when the freedom of press is not to their liking, they don't relish it, then they try to suppress the press. And I can tell them, people did not forgive you, people did not forget you, people did not excuse you for your crimes during emergency. Even today also, the Maharashtra, the whole nation will not excuse you, forgive you, forget you for the excesses that you are committing on the media.
So yesterday, the way trial court said that there was no such strong grounds for the remand police custody, it was clear cut that they were just running their personal agenda against Arnab Goswami and Republic TV. It was now very much clear, and even on the paper when that trial court said it, that no such strong grounds for the police remand.
So I said earlier, whenever any person who is arrested by the police is produced before the court, the police has a right to ask for the judicial or the police custody. You seek the police custody only if some recovery has to be made, certain other investigations have to be done. They make a request to the trial court, and trial court, after examining the whole material, decides whether he has to be sent to police custody or he has to be sent to the judicial custody. I remember in 75 when I was arrested, I was given electric shocks by the police, and when I was produced next time before Mr. Nagra, who was the CGM, and the police wanted police remand, they said no, nothing doing. Judicial remand. So I am very happy that the court has sent him to judicial remand, and the High Court will be deciding his bail application. But it is an attempt, it is nothing else but an attempt to suppress the freedom of the press. It's not an attack on Arnab Goswami, it is an attack on the whole media, press, freedom of press, and in a sense on the democratic functioning of the state.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for joining with us. So, in fact, it was a direct attack on the media. In fact, Advocate Satpal Jain also confirmed it, just because they have also arrested at the time of emergency. They have seen the entire situation. This is what happening in the Maharashtra, and the entire nation is condemning this act of Maharashtra police and Maharashtra government as well.